It's time to indulge yourself into something super delicious. Try my recipe for rich, dark chocolate pudding cake. The gluten-free and vegan mini tarts are super easy to prepare and you won't need a lot of ingredients. So let's get started. Set the pot over medium heat and add the vegan chocolate milk to the pan. If you don't have the vegan chocolate milk, just use regular vegan milk and add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. To this we are adding the rice flour, and to this we are adding the peanut butter and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until well combined. As the peanut butter can be a bit sticky, this process can take up to 1 minute. When everything is well combined, we are stirring in the chopped chocolate, and we continue stirring until it starts to simmer. When the pudding starts to bubble, after 2 or 3 minutes, turn off the heat and continue stirring for another minute so the pudding can thicken. After 1 minute, we remove the pot from heat and we transfer the pudding hot to a glass or a container. Let the small cakes cool down for 30 minutes. You can eat the small pudding cake straight from the glass, or you can place a plate over the top of the chocolate cake and invert. Then lift the glass carefully off the cake. And once the cake is out of the pan, you can start decorating. As you see, I'm using some chocolate sprinkles here and I garnish with some rose petals. What I'm showing here is just a recommendation for the decoration. Be a bit adventurous and try to add fresh fruits such as raspberries and strawberries and sprinkle some crushed nuts on top. I hope you enjoyed my small, plant-based and gluten-free choco cake that's also perfect for Valentine's Day. If you want to see more of my upcoming recipes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time!